Welcome to Introduction to Industry Pro Dashboard. When you log into your Virdition account, you will land on your dashboard. This dashboard is where you could access different features within your account. For example, you could create new auditions, manage all those auditions, edit those auditions. You can create competitions, manage those competitions, and edit those competitions. You can manage your network. So anything that you need to do, you come back to your dashboard. And you could then find what is it that you're looking for to do. And you can go from there. I just want to touch on some of the features that are incorporated within your dashboard. So if we start with notifications here on your left, you will see messages. Messages are messages directly from individuals that are located in your network. Network calls. Network calls are auditions, or we like to call them Virditions. These are auditions that are created by other agencies within your network. So it could be a casting director who created an audition and shared it with you. And if you open those network calls, you will have a list of all these auditions, and then you could share those auditions with your network, the talent in your network, or even participate for talent within your network. And that's what we call proxy audition, which we have a tutorial on proxy auditioning. Network requests. Network requests are similar to a friend's request. So it's actually a friend's request, but we call it network requests. So these are individuals that want to be a part of your network. They could be talent, they could be other agencies initially, professionals. When you open this, you have a list of those in the business, those individuals. You can view their talent portfolios. If it's a talent, and make a decision based on that portfolio. If that talent is worth adding to your network, and if they are, you could then share auditions with them in the future. View endorsements. These are comments, recommendations, or any endorsement that another agency or talent, suppose on your company profile, you can review those endorsements and make them live on your company profile, or delete them. It's up to you. Under building your network, you can search for talent within the Virdition network, or even other agencies within the Virdition network. Send those people network requests for them to join your network and have access to your auditions whenever you create those auditions. Share any active audition with your network, or even people outside your network, like people on Facebook that are not part of your Virdition network, or even part of the Virdition network, that you can share your auditions outside for audition as well. Same thing with competitions or contests, virtual contests, and even your company profile. The company profile is like your own little website, if you would, on Virdition. It's branded. And there is a video on creating your branded company profile. Your network code. The network code is a code that you can share with a group of talent within your network. outside of Virdition. So you're an agency and you have 200 talents in your working for your company. Well, you can share this network code with them, and all those 200 talents could be part of your network. When they log in, they will be directly in your network without them having to search you and send you a network request. They will automatically be in your network. Also, they can participate. They can participate without having to have a paid subscription to any of your auditions. So you shared this on this network code with a talent in your network outside of Virdition. Now, they're a part of your Virdition network and they will have access to all your auditions regardless they're a free member or paid member on Virdition. So that's a cool feature if you're a talent agency or a modeling agency and want to have your talent and as part of your network without them having to pay to be on Virdition. So this is here. We have a shortcut for reminder, actually, of your live auditions. So when you create an audition, you create appointments for video conference auditions. You will have a reminder under your live auditions on My Live Auditions. So if you had an audition today, there would be a reminder here, but as you can see, there are no auditions today, but you would see something similar to this, where you have the name of the audition. You have the date and time of the audition and the name of the person that audition is with, if that's a one-on-one audition. If it's a multi-person audition, then they will just let you know that that's a multi-person audition, so that you'll have a group and a group audition. In other words, at the time of that audition, you could just click on this green dot, and that will take you directly to the video conferencing room, auditioning room, where you could have your live video conference audition with a talent. Again, you'll have a shortcut here to your competitions. Now, submissions. Submissions to auditions, you have a shortcut here as well, and a shortcut for any contest or competition entries. You also have a network, your network listed here. We'll just show you 5, but you can view all your network by clicking view all anytime. Age, a talent is in your network that is online. This camera icon will be lit green, and by you clicking on it, that would send that talent an invitation to a video chat. It's instant, so there's no need to make appointments or anything to that nature. So this is a cool way for you to connect with talents right away. Also, you can send them a message through email. And so you say, let's say you wanted to send them a message. How can you get online on Virdition real quick? I want to audition you for this point. So you could do that really, really quick. And when they come online, you could then connect. Again, this is different community activity that goes on here from the menu. You have to access to your dashboard. Again, your account, creating auditions, creating bracket competitions, Bracket competitions is something that you have to be approved for. So if that's something that you wish to do, you would have to then request permission or request from Virdition to have this feature. This feature is a monetary competition platform, so you could generate revenue from it, and it takes approval for you to be able to have this virtual competitions. On the other hand, you're free and you can create those for different things like building a network, marketing, things of that nature. Under manage, you'll be able to manage your auditions, bracket competitions, virtual competition, edit your appointments. You can manage your appointments, manage your calendar, manage your profile, company profile. You can connect within the system to search for auditions, search for bracket competition, search for competition, search for through the industry directory, search for talent, share your profile, view your network. So those are like your most important features. If here you want to change your language, you could do that here on your page. You could go into art or help tutorials. To view other tutorials, you could go into help. You can come down here and access the industry directory page, which our knowledge base, frequently asked questions, tutorials, and you can contact us. So this is your dashboard. This is how you maneuver throughout your Virdition experience. So thank you, and we suggest you now view your video on how to create your account and brand your account so that you can get started with, if you have not done already, with creating your branded conferences, your branded company profile. So thank you and have a good day.